Louis Farrakhan, I don't want to make the statement. I love this guy. He's a Muslim. He's not a Christian. He's a Muslim. Okay, I differ with him. It's where I differ, but I give him credit, the gift that he has. Some of the things that I take, I said, I love this. He made a statement. Uti, in one of his statement, a man is not a man until that man gets a wife, because the wife is the one that can tell you what that man is, and is the one that corner that man and make the man out of the man. Did you hear that, brother? Uti, your wife is the one that can take. Uti, then you'll discover whether you're a man or not a man. Uti, when that woman is cornered you. This is a minister. Uti, I hear them, they don't have wives. Uti, get him who's got a wife. Uti, when that man is being cornered, no more, no man go, people building, no man go, no more, now pay with him respect. I've asked Uti some of the things that I am. Uti, that's what the minister says. Can we give the Lord a hand of praise? I remember one day. Can I carry on? Amen.